Hello everybody, this is the new Singer 6800C for computer, heavy duty. There's another 6800, but it is not computerized. This has an LCD screen on it. So this is our first unboxing video, and here we go. So this has 300 stitches. They have basic, stretch, decorative, and two different fonts. It also has a mirror function for the stitches. So there's miscellaneous paperwork, a start guide, a dust cover, but I would suggest making your own dust cover, a walking foot. That's very useful with heavy duty fabrics, canvas, and leather. Paracord. Accessory pack, we'll go through that in a little bit. And the pressure, the foot pedal. So this has 9 different one-step buttonholes with the buttonhole foot, built-in thread cutter, a speed control so you can dial up or down, the clear bobbins, adjustable presser foot, so you can do thicker canvases. 3 needles. Thread holder, larger thread holder, a brush with seam ripper, various different feet. There's a zipper foot and a felt pad and screwdriver. And then walking foot with instructions. So this has a stainless steel bed so that fabrics will easily slip across them. A removable front piece for cuffs, legs, bags, anything that'll fit underneath there. So this is the brand new 6800C. It's so new that even on the website, it does not have the registration info. That is supposed to change soon.